Guys, just thinking about it, I was a friend of mine, Michael Scott, that owns Renaissance Beekeeper and the Sustainable Beekeeping Facebook group, did a little post today, and I'm out here adding drone comb to colonies after I have extracted it. I've added 5 frames right here. Took the 5 frames and gave the big fat frame to the top box, moved all of these frames of honey and brood up because they're backfilling, and what they're doing is as the brood hatches out, they're backfilling it with nectar. So I'm giving her a little more space to lay. I don't care because, yeah, these are deep frames, but I don't care. Deep frames are brood frames, and this just happened to be some deeps that I got to extract. But and I'll try to copy and paste it into the description of this video, talking about the fact that it takes 7 pounds of honey to draw out 1 pound of wax. So for basically, I think his calculations were for median is about $10 a pound. For 4 deep frames, for them to draw out the wax on 4 deep frames, it's basically going to cost you $70, or was it $240? I don't remember exactly. But the point is, drone comb is the most valuable thing in your hive, even more valuable than the queen, the workers, the drones, the bee bread, the honey, pollen, everything. Because without the comb, none of the rest of it exists. So you think about it, buying an extractor versus crush and strain. Okay, so you're losing every frame that you crush and strain, you're losing that. All right, guys, we're going to finish what we were talking about. I actually had a customer come to pick up 6 queens, so I had to stop the video. I don't know if you heard him in the background right before I shut off the video. But what Michael's saying is, in those 4 deep frames, you can spin out $240 worth of honey versus the $70 that you would make, or the $70 in honey that it would take to draw those 4 out. So in my mind, the comb is the most valuable thing in the hive, because you can't replace comb without a cost. Everything in beekeeping, especially to sideliners, especially commercial guys, comb is valuable. They're after that honey, and just 4 deeps of honey is $240 at $10 a pound, which I sell mine at $12 and don't have a problem moving it. You're losing money. I have a top bar hive right over here that when people want cut comb honey, I'll take a bar out of it, slice off just what I need off the bottom part of a cap bar, put it in there, they'll draw that little bit out again and fix it and replace it. But to me, wrecking deeps, mediums, just for cut comb honey, it's just not profitable. And hobby beekeepers, you start with 1, 2, 3, however many hives you start with, and say you start with 3 hives. This one, that one die, and that one over there make it. You've got all that resources to start again in the spring. You can make splits off the one that makes it. You can catch swarms, and you're just giving them an immense boost when you give them that comb, because it takes a week to draw the comb out and get it nice. The queen will lay in it. You're already a week behind. You give them that comb, it takes less than a day, and she's laying in it. So you're already that far in advance. And if you give them 2 or 3 frames of drawn out comb, you're way in advance. So the resources are there. Yes, the dead outs suck, but the resources are there. That's just my take on it. I agree with Michael. Like I said, I'll link all that in the bottom. You guys have a great day. I've got more bees to work. It's like 95 degrees and I am sweating to death. Have a great day. Smash that like button. share, hit that subscribe, pass the videos around. Thanks for your time.